Cassandra. My work of art spells out my name, says Andra. The C represents shapes. For me, I use the colors in the African American Greek Council for fraternities and sororities. I am an interest in sorority. The A represents my volunteer work that I do with the American Red Cross. I am a blood transporter for STAT and ASCP orders through the Red Cross. The S goes along with the U and the A. I am a United States Army veteran. I did 14 years in the military. And my first S, I used the primary colors. My background is yellow and the blue and the red for the American red flag. And my second S is the texture of the bubble letter is soft and the background is brick. It's not coming up real clear, but because I can sometimes be soft, which unfortunately people take advantage of. So that's when I have to be a little hard to make sure I'm not getting ran over. The A represents the rhythm in my life. I started school at the University of Laverne, January 2019, and I've just been in my rhythm to get through my program. I love to read. I have a picture of a book. I also have a picture of the city of Indianapolis, which is where I am from. I'm zooming in so you can see it right here. And the sky is full of clouds and the sun when it's not raining. And that for me it's wonderful. When I moved to California to see no clouds in the sky, I thought something really was wrong. But so my U and my S and my A stands for the military, the United States Army, and I use contrast in my U. And my N, my emphasis is my heart. I have, again, a soft heart. And in this world around us, I use the different colors. It can be crazy. People can take advantage, but you do have to be attentive to the people you keep around you. So that's why I used all the different colors here. And I use the value and valuing in elements of art with green is one of my two favorite colors. Blue is my other, which is here. But I went from the dark to the light. This is a light green, it's not white. In my R, I use patterns of triangles, and my life is patterned after the word, the Bible. So that is the pattern of my life that I am seeking to lead as I walk this life out. And the A, it has waves and it has the different shapes and colors of the different military force in the United States. And I traveled over many waters, and my waves are rocky and bumpy until I got to the top, which is my honorable discharge out of the military. I drew a diamond ring for a woman, a big one, and a band. These do have glitter on them, but again, they don't show up really well in the picture. I am happily married to my husband, and I have these two separate boxes. One has a dress in it and one has pants. And we were separate and we came together, and we're balanced now because we live out our life as one in Christ. And these are hearts. And this represents my favorite sport. My emphasis is football against a basketball court. I will watch basketball, but football is my favorite. These are the scoreboards, red for loser, and the green for winner. And this is like a maze, and I wanted to use that to show movement because I am going through the maze of life as I continue to live out my life in California. And here is Morse code. I am learning Morse code, the alphabet. So I have right here BAE, which stands for Black and Educated. And I am a queen. So I have the black bar, which is a shape, and the orange and green, which represents educated at University of Laverne, and that I'm a queen. And these are the letters in Morse code for B, and I'm pointing to the B. And then the A is just this dot. And the E, which is represented by this. And the Q is represented by that. So this is an introduction to me. This is my name tag. And I am excited about visual and performing arts. I do love to draw. I have plenty of crayons. I love to color. I have paint. I love to paint. I have markers and color pencil. So again, I'm looking forward to taking this journey with my class. Again, my name is Cassandra.